This is Mo Davidson from Defence Canada. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on our post pounder flex. It is a PP83 with the flex adapter. Here is the post driver running. It is fairly quiet, but hearing protection is recommended when in use. Position post and apply adapter to the post. Then place a driver onto the adapter and post. Move the O-ring over the gap to prevent the flexi post from sliding out of the driver tube. Squeeze the trigger to start driving the post into the ground using no more than 10 pounds of pressure. Gently pull down on the driver until the post is at desired depth. Ensure feet are on a stable surface like a stepladder, bench, or if in extremely uneven ground, the bed of a truck, or as we are using here, a golf cart. If the post hits an object under the ground, the post may move slightly around the obstruction. Do not try to move the post, just let it find its own place while holding it upright. Flex posts are most useful as driveway markers, or anywhere they may be clipped by vehicles or snowplows. While using, only the side handles should be held. The top handle is for carrying the driver only. The driver can be purchased on defencecanada.ca. The link is in the description.